Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Words and showing you one more dining set. Teak wood, the real teak wood and the beauty of matte finish you can see here is an 8-seater dining and one of the masterpieces and the most classy designs in dining tables that you get anywhere across the globe is right here at Arts and Words, customized, made to order and delivered to your home in India or out of India wherever you are. With double carved chair front as well as the back of the unit and the design that is straight out of a catalog. Catalog images that are computer generated, and here I show you an actual masterpiece with master chairs, with handles and without handle chairs, and as you want it with an 8 by 4 feet dining top. If you want something like this, phone, Instagram, Pinterest, Telegram, anyways, you can contact us. The number is right here. Thank you. Dhanyavad.